We have made it to Sensoji. It is a Buddhist temple. And in here, there's going to be a few different things to come check and see. Besides the temple, we're going to have the 5-story pagoda. And then there's also a market to check out as well. So there's multiple things within the same area to check out. So let's go check it out. Sensoji Temple and its 5-story pagoda are more than historical structures. They are living testaments to Tokyo's enduring spirit and cultural legacy. Whether you're seeking spiritual solace, architectural marvels, or a traditional touch of Japan, Sensoji offers an experience that resonates long after the visit. As you enter the temple complex, you pass through the Kamaranen, the Thunder Gate, an iconic entrance marked by its massive red lantern and guardian statues of the gods of wind and thunder. This gate leads into Nakami's-dori, a living shopping street filled with traditional Japanese snacks, crafts, and souvenirs, setting the scene for the spiritual and cultural experience ahead. Standing tall beside the temple main hall is the 5-story pagoda, a structure that embodies both historical significance and architectural brilliance. Originally constructed in 942 AD, the pagoda has been destroyed and rebuilt several times, with the current version completed in 1973 using a reinforced steel frame to enhance earthquake resistance. At 53 meters tall, the pagoda is among the tallest of its kind in Japan. While the temple and its pagoda are awe-inspiring during the day, Sensoji transforms dramatically at night. After sunset, the temple grounds are beautifully illustrated and illuminated, casting a soft glow of the crimson beams and intricate architecture. The contrast between the serene lighting and the peaceful evening air offers a unique, tranquil atmosphere, an ideal time for quiet reflection or photography without the daytime crowds.
just outside the temple is a lot of shops. And I'm talking hundreds of shops. Food, souvenirs, you name it. They go all the way down there and then over about 3 or 4 aisles.
The Sensoji Temple and the 5-story pagoda are not just attractions, they are cultural treasures that have withstood centuries of change. Whether you're a first-time visitor to Tokyo or a returning traveler, walking through these sacred grounds offers a powerful connection to Japan's spiritual and historical roots. From the moment you pass under Kamarenan, the awe of standing before the towering pagoda, Sensoji is an unforgettable journey through time, faith, and tradition.
So if you come here to the temple, when you come down to the shops down towards the back end, if you take a left, there's going to be several shops where you can rent the traditional garb and come around here and take photos and poses in the traditional attire here in ancient Japan around all of these ancient monuments. And that completes our time here at the temple. If you have any questions about it, let me know. If you come here, I hope you have a fantastic time. If you have a moment, if you could hit that like and subscribe button, I would really appreciate that as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on our next trip.